Hello and welcome everyone to another video. Today I am gonna tell you about top 10 most dangerous aquatic species ever existed. Before getting into the video, if you are new, please like and subscribe the channel. Now let's start our countdown. Number 10 is moray eels, or Murenidae, are a family of eels whose members are found worldwide. There are approximately 200 species in 15 genera which are almost exclusively marine, but several species are regularly seen in brackish water, and a few are found in fresh water. While moray aren't venomous, they have toxins in their mucus/slime which covers their bodies and mouths. Most notably a toxin called hemagglutinin, a toxin that leads to red blood cells clumping together. Moray can also generate crinotoxins, which are toxins that destroy red blood cells. All these toxins mean that once you've been bitten by a moray, you're vulnerable to infection, and if you don't receive treatment, the infection can lead to further complications. Number 9 is the electric eels. They are a genus, Electrophorus, of neotropical freshwater fish from South America in the family Gymnotidae. They are known for their ability to stun their prey by generating electricity, delivering shocks at up to 860 volts. Their electrical capabilities were first studied in 1775, contributing to the invention in 1800 of the electric battery. Electric eels are freshwater predators that can generate an enormous electrical charge to stun prey and dissuade predators. They live in the murky streams and ponds of the Amazon and Orinoco basins of South America, feeding mainly on fish, but also amphibians and even birds and small mammals. Electric eels are dangerous to humans because they can produce up to 600 volts of electrical energy, which is enough to kill or incapacitate a person for years. Number 8. A piranha is any of a number of freshwater fish species in the family Cerassalmidae, or the subfamily Cerassalminae within the tetrafamily, Characidae in order Characiformes. These fish inhabit South American rivers, floodplains, lakes and reservoirs. Although often described as extremely predatory and mainly feeding on fish, their dietary habits vary extensively, and they will also take plant material, leading to their classification as omnivorous. Depending on the exact species, most piranhas grow to between 12 and 35 centimeters, 5 to 14 in, long. A few can grow larger, with the largest living species, the red-bellied, reaching up to 50 centimeters, 20 in. There are claims of Sao Francisco piranhas at up to 60 centimeters, 24 in, but the largest confirmed specimens are considerably smaller. The extinct megapiranha, which lived 8 to 10 million years ago, reached about 71 centimeters, 28 in, long, and possibly even 128 centimeters, 50 in. Number 7. Sea snakes, or coral reef snakes, are elipid snakes that inhabit marine environments for most or all of their lives. They belong to two subfamilies, Hydrophini and Latticodinae. Hydrophini also includes Australasian terrestrial snakes, whereas Latticodinae only includes the sea krites, Latticoda, of which 3 species are found exclusively in freshwater. If these 3 freshwater species are excluded, there are 69 species of sea snakes divided among 7 genera. Sea snakes have neurotoxic venom that is more toxic than that of Mojave rattlesnakes and king cobras. The venom contains some of the same chemicals found in cobra venom, only more concentrated in form. It is a deadly mixture of neurotoxins and myotoxins. Neurotoxic venom is a powerful venom that often immobilizes prey and shuts down important bodily functions, especially when it comes to breathing and muscle movement. Number 6. A barracuda is a large, predatory, ray-fin fish known for its fearsome appearance and ferocious behavior. The barracuda is a saltwater fish of the genus Sphaerina, the only genus in the family Sphaerenidae, which was named by Constantine Samuel Rafinesque in 1815. It is found in tropical and subtropical oceans worldwide, ranging from the eastern border of the Atlantic Ocean to the Red Sea, on its western border the Caribbean Sea, and in tropical areas of the Pacific Ocean. Barracudas reside near the top of the water and near coral reefs and sea grasses. Barracudas are targeted by sport fishing enthusiasts. While barracudas are not typically aggressive towards humans, they have been known to attack people who are swimming or diving in waters where they are present. This is often the result of mistaken identity, as barracudas can mistake a swimmer or diver for a prey species. Additionally, Barracudas have large, sharp teeth that can cause serious injury if they bite a person. As a result, it is advisable to exercise caution when swimming or diving in waters where barracudas are present. Number 5 is Candiru, Vandellia serosa, also known as canero, toothpick fish, or vampire fish, is a species of parasitic freshwater catfish in the family Trichomycteridae native to the Amazon basin, where it is found in the countries of Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, and Peru. The name Candiru is also used to refer to the entire genus Vandellia. This species is known for an alleged tendency to invade and parasitize the human urethra and other bodily openings. However, despite ethnological reports dating back to the late 19th century, the first documented case of the removal of a candiru from a human urethra did not occur until 1997, and even that incident has remained a matter of controversy. In 1829, German biologist and explorer Carl Friedrich Philipp von Martius traveled to Brazil and was told by natives about the candiru fish and their invasion to the human urethras. The fear was such that local men used protective coverings and even tied ligatures around their penises to prevent candirus invading when going into rivers. In his report, Martius hypothesized that the odor of urine attracted candirus, as primary prey of the fish emit urea from their gills. However, recent research showed that the fish hunt by sight and are not attracted to human urine. During an expedition in the Araguaia region of Brazil in 1855, French naturalist Francis de Laporte de Castelnau was told by local fishermen that candirus spring out of the water and penetrate into the urethra by ascending the length of the liquid column. These claims, which defy the laws of physics, had spread to the local community and drew worldwide attention. By 1930, many more reports and witnesses described candirus entering and lodging into the vagina, but not the male urethra. The most recent case of a candiru invading the urethra was published in 1997. The patient reported urethral bleeding, difficulty passing urine and fever 3 days after suffering an attack by a small fish while urinating into a river. Cystoscopy showed the fish lodged in the anterior urethra and removed endoscopically. The procedure was filmed and specimens were photographed. The size of the extracted fish, 133 mm length, the history given by the patient and the incentive of the candiru to invade the patient's urethra contributed to the doubts for the veracity of the report. Number 4 is the great white shark, Carcharodon carcharias, also known as the white shark, white pointer, or simply great white, is a species of large mackerel shark which can be found in the coastal surface waters of all the major oceans. It is the only known surviving species of its genus Carcharodon. The great white shark is notable for its size, with the largest preserved female specimen measuring 5.83 meters, 19.1 feet, in length and around 2,000 kilograms, 4,400 pounds, in weight at maturity. However, most are smaller. Males measure 3.4 to 4.0 m, 11 to 13 feet, and females measure 4.6 to 4.9 m, 15 to 16 feet, on average. According to a 2014 study, the lifespan of great white sharks is estimated to be as long as 70 years or more, well above previous estimates, making it one of the longest-lived cartilaginous fishes currently known. According to the same study, male great white sharks take 26 years to reach sexual maturity, while the females take 33 years to be ready to produce offspring. Great white sharks can swim at speeds of 25 km per hour, 16 miles per hour, for short bursts and to depths of 1,200 meters, 3,900 feet. Number 3 is blue-ringed octopuses, comprising the genus Hapaloclina, are 4 extremely venomous species of octopus that are found in tide pools and coral reefs in the Pacific and Indian Oceans, from Japan to Australia. They can be identified by their yellowish skin and characteristic blue and black rings that can change color dramatically when the animal is threatened. They eat small crustaceans, including crabs, hermit crabs, shrimp, and other small sea animals. They are one of the world's most venomous marine animals. Despite their small size, 12 to 20 centimeters, 5 to 8 in, and relatively docile nature, they are very dangerous if provoked when handled because their venom contains a powerful neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin. Number 2 Synancia is a genus of rayfin fish belonging to the subfamily Synancinae, the stonefish, which is classified within the family Scorpionidae, the scorpion fish and relatives. Stonefish are the most venomous fish known. Stings can be fatal to humans. They are found in the coastal regions of the Indo-Pacific. They are sometimes confused with the freshwater lionfish. Stonefish have 13 spines lining its back that release venom under pressure. If you inadvertently step on a stonefish thinking it's a harmless rock, it will pop up its dorsal spines and release venom from 2 sacs at the base of each spine. Unsurprisingly, the more venom that is injected, the worse it is for you. Stings result in terrible pain, swelling, necrosis, tissue death, and even death. One victim wrote online that after being stung on the finger, it was like having each knuckle, then the wrist, elbow, and shoulder being hit in turn with a sledgehammer over the course of about an hour. And number 1 is box jellyfish, class Cubozoa, are cnidarian invertebrates distinguished by their box-like, i.e. cube-shaped, body. 2. Some species of box jellyfish produce potent venom delivered by contact with their tentacles. Stings from some species, including Chironex fleckeri, Carukia barnesi, Malo kingi, and a few others, are extremely painful and often fatal to humans. Box jellyfish have tentacles covered in nematocysts, tiny darts loaded with poison that can cause paralysis, cardiac arrest, and death within minutes of being stung. The most dangerous species of box jellyfish include Chironex fleckeri, Carukia barnesi, and Malo kingi. Their venom is among the deadliest in the world, attacking the heart, nervous system, and skin cells. Immediate symptoms of a sting include redness, swelling, and intense pain, while more severe cases can lead to difficulty breathing, nausea, and muscle cramps. Treatment involves prompt use of vinegar on the affected area. This was all for today. I hope that you liked the video. Please drop a like, comment, and subscribe to channel for more interesting and dangerous facts. Until next time, goodbye.